So today, it's nice weather, but today I am going to the River Mersey, which is close to me, because it's nice weather, and I've got some memories from there with a lot of people. Like not like that place just brings back so many memories from like 2 years ago, from a year ago, from a couple of months ago. Like that place just brings back memories with all my closest people. The first one was in around May 2019, but then I met up with more people, with different people, and just kept on going there. So I've not been there for a while, so I don't know what I'm gonna name this, but it's like a mini vlog, but not. But anyways, as you can see, cool weather. God, my thing's a bit narrow, isn't it? But anyways, I'll change the bloody camera because look at this. Look how wide this is. Look, how does this look like it's a bloody circle? Anyways, I'm gonna change now. But anyways, see you in a bit. I hate vlogging in like public spaces where there's lots of people and then there's just people looking at you. So I found a passage, as you can see. Today I'm going to the river, as I said. I don't know if I'll make it before sunset, but I don't know. Yeah, nice weather though. Blue skies. I don't know if you can even pay me properly, but about to make out this passage. As you can see. I mean, nice passage, isn't it? But yeah, I will be there soon. The sun is going down, but we'll see if I make it. But anyways, I'll see you guys on the river if I make it before the sun. If not, then I'll still record. But yeah, I'll also go another day if I don't make it. But anyways, I'll see you guys in a bit. Look at this. Beautiful, isn't it? And I'm going on that. There is a tyre. Why did Lewis tell me there's no tyre anymore? Makes no sense. Literally, Lewis told me there's no tyre anymore, and there literally is a tyre, so you lied to me. But anyways, yeah, I'm at the Mersey. I'm gonna sit on our step and have a little talk, because I like talking about life and how life can return to normal soon. But anyways, I'll see you guys when I'm literally right there. In life, you have to find time for yourself. It's nice, relaxing river. Can cheer you up. It's just nice, peaceful, and you got time for yourself. You don't need to find others to make you happy when you can do that yourself. You can just go to chilled places, have a think, and just relax and think about stuff. And yeah, this place does bring back a lot of memories. I've got a lot of reasons why, and I do miss them, but hopefully one day they can come back soon. Take your AirPods out, take your headphones out, just listen to the river. Well, if you're watching this video, then put your headphones on because it'll be better. But anyways, hopefully life does come back to soon. Normal life comes back soon. I heard cases have dropped, but they say that every week. I'm coming back to school soon, so I don't know what's gonna happen. Hopefully one day I can be sitting on here with a lot of my mates, with a lot of my loved ones, and to think about the positive things that have happened, because nice river here. Yeah, relaxing. I obviously found time for myself, but in life you don't need others. You don't need to wait for others to make you happy when you can do that yourself. Anyways, yeah. I am making my home now, but as I said, mark my words, life will come back to normal. Oh, have a look at this. But life will come back to normal soon. But anyways, I'll see you guys home. Before I end this, I just want to say that this was just a short vlog of me spreading a message that everything will be okay soon. I'm watching boxing. Fun. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and peace. And remember, everything will be alright soon.